Well, I'm here. Going it down on that thing. They sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. A dog or wolf? Well, hello, FabTech. How you been? Not another gate. I can pole vault this one. Nope. I'm gonna walk back here and see what my road job looks like now. The one I did right before the big rain. Pretty nice spruce. Looks nice in here. Really nice. Nice pine bolts. Ooh, right up there is my dirt work job. Yeah, there's little piles of wood out there. So, this is that spot I fixed. That's where I borrowed the sand from. I pushed it up on the road. But the road right here is a foot or foot and a half, 2 feet lower than everything else. A few roots in it. Looks really good to me. I don't even see any water. Any evidence of water, you know, pooling there. It looks really good. This is all cracked. See, what saved me is the road froze. It got really cold. And it's all froze. Looks beautiful. I thought I was told that it rotted a little bit, but overall, looks very good. Like I say, the cold saved me, or saved the road. If I wouldn't have done anything, I think the cold probably would have stiffened the road up enough to truck on. So in the end, maybe I didn't need to do anything. There's some strange guy here trying to steal our wood. ISO scrape. See all this brush in here? I wonder if a guy opened this up. Be a nice place to deer hunt. Yes, this is my dad's property. Thinking about trying to make him a place to hunt. I think I was standing around here somewhere. Yeah, I cleaned off that part of the bowl. And I did a little running around down in there. I thought it looked a lot more different. It's a lot more open over there. Looked better over there than it does from here. I even did a little off the back side of this ridge. November 2019. Dad's doing a little landscaping on his property. You know what that is? That's a porcupine. And I think the local superhero's dog might need a meal. Are you hungry? What am I gonna do with all them rocks? A rock garden? No. So there's a nice little creek. Nice little crossing, and right before it, it's pounded out. I'm going to throw the rocks in there. Bigger rocks first. I don't think I brought enough rocks. I'm gonna have to go back to the rock garden and grow some more. Much gooder. Let's put a little more dirt there. Ooh. It's getting better. All right. I can't. Is that a bull? It sure is. So cool. It's a small bull. He's not that far away, but my phone is not focusing on him. Matthew, he's still on the road. I want to know how this is possible. I left 2 waters in here last weekend. This one's frozen hard as a rock, and this one isn't. What? What's in this bottle that kept it from freezing when this one is rock hard? That's weird. There's 2 on the left there. 6 ones will swim in. Winch, you're in? When George is sitting out there? It's time to take out the dock and dump George in the lake. Winch in more? More? Okay.
Sure, keep going.
What the 3-pounder won't do with a torch will.
That's right. Can't even have fun without working on stuff. I only let Matthew ride it once, and look what he did to this U-joint. That's not bad. Well, you know what that means. Things are getting serious. Because I have U-joint I need to take out. R&R, it's not for railroad, it's rear. Front. F is for front. I'm going to torch these U-joints out. Or plasma cut them out, I should say. Which I did to the ones to get them out of the machine. But now I'm going to have to do these ones. I'm just going to cut the cross right out of there. Much easier. It's always a good day when you can use a 3-pound hammer and a smashed marker. Front. So I was doing this and I was like, I can smell something besides burning everything. And I said, I smell something else burning. Guess what I completely forgot on the grill? Yeah, could be worse. It's still edible.
Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.